Hi, it's Lynette here and thank you for joining me today. Today I've got my latest in beauty box, but first I'm kind of filming from my new office slash kind of beauty room where I keep all my beauty supplies now. This was the room that my oldest moved into when he moved back from uni. However, Brandon's moved to Glasgow with his girlfriend. They've got a flat because they do uni through in Glasgow, so it was just a bit easier for them. So Steve decorated this, painted it all white for me, ordered all the furniture from IKEA. He built it all in his week off. I've got a wee video that I've done. However, I've kind of gone with some temporary solutions. I've got some of the pink cupboard doors, some of the white ones. These white boxes, I feel like they're quite temporary until I might get more drawers or cupboards. But I also plan on filling some of the spaces with some decorative pieces. I've just not got them all in place yet. And here, I'm not going to put too much on it, but I'm kind of still got to finish, you know, make it a bit more kind of less white and give it a bit more kind of colour. But I thought those beige boxes with the spots and the pink doors would help as well. Anyway, what have I got today? My latest in beauty box. So, for those of you who've been here before, latest in beauty is a monthly subscription box with a wee bit of a difference, well, a massive difference. You get to pick your own items. So, at the moment, you can only select 6 items unless you're a pre-existing customer. So it used to be 3, 6 or 9, but now it's 6 items. I think it's £12.95 plus postage, and then once you've been a subscriber for a few months, I think the postage comes off that. Don't quote me on that. I do have 10% off in the description below. I always forget to say that. If you're interested in this box, you can actually dip in and dip out. I think you can cancel it. However, you wouldn't then get the free postage eventually, but I'm sure you can pause. So I've never done any of that because I've got a 9-item box and I don't want to lose it. I find it really good. So it comes in the black box. It arrives like this, inside some plastic. It's got your address on it. So I'm just going to dip in. So every month there's a Hall of Fame item, and for the life of me I cannot remember what that is this month. This has been hanging around for days, just haven't been able to film it. So yeah, everybody is, there's enough for everybody to get an item. So what used to happen before, Lola, I'm still sorting out my eyeshadow palettes because there's too many of them. And Lola thinks they're hers to go in and have a wee play, have a wee chew. Anyway, yeah, what I like is that they have the Hall of Fame item. So before it used to be if a great item came on and it wasn't your turn to pick, you missed it. It was just luck of the draw. But now they have secured enough stock of the Hall of Fame item that everybody can get one, whatever time you pick. You can also pick a second box, so if you've already picked and there's a great selection come on that you're interested in, you can get a second box. I haven't done that for a wee while, but I do sometimes do that. And then there are weekly drops, so there'll be things will drop in the week for that week, and if they're still there the following week, that's fine. But there'll be different drops across the course of the month. I think they're moving from Monday to Friday, but I'm not sure if that's happened yet. Anyway, Lola, what are you doing? Lola! The room is not quite dog proof yet. So I'm just going to quickly go through because I'm aware it's 4 minutes and I've not showed you what I've got. So I picked up this Florina Fermented Skincare Anti-Wrinkle Day Cream. It has fermented honeysuckle and hyaluronic acid. So it says it's natural, dermatologically approved, and I'll just show you this. So it's 50 mils. This is my pet peeve though, sometimes about packaging, and I know sometimes it's to protect it, but this is plastic. How much, you know, cardboard is there compared to how much product is in there. You know, and to make it not rattle about, it's got additional this is going to make you laugh. The jar you're about to see is one of our commitments to sustainability. There is no excess packaging, so we can help reduce our impact on the environment. However, I've just complained that there's excess cardboard. I mean, cardboard is easier to recycle than plastic. So it's vegan, no animal or animal derived ingredients. Our jars are made of 97.5% recycled plastic. The paper of our folding boxes is minimum 70% recycled. Our packaging is recyclable. Okay, so I take it back. Right, this is 70% at least recycled packaging that they've used, and this is 95% recycled plastic that they've actually used as well. So anyway, I take that back. Take all my moans back. That's great. I wish more brands, I think actually, I wish more brands would not, would use post-consumer recycled plastic, and rather than kind of new plastic, which, you know, the effects on that, the impact on the environment, oil, etc. So this is one of my staple items. While it's there, I will order it. It's a curl cream, so, excuse me, it's cruelty-free, vegan-friendly, natural extracts and colour kind. It's also made in England as well. So yeah, I do really like this product. Not used a lot this morning, so my curls are quite soft actually. So I'll probably will go and tie my hair up at some point. Probably before my first meeting of the day. I'm filming this first thing this morning because I need to film it. Otherwise it'll be another day, and then you know what it's like. So this is a spot treatment gel. It has salicylic acid and something called D-panthenol. So it's by Pharmaceris, and it's T-zone oily skin, instant targeted effect. There you go, 2% H2O2. Not got a clue what that is. I know that H2O is water. So you apply this directly onto any acne lesions twice a day until symptoms disappear. In case of severe lesions, use up to 4 times a day for 2 days. Avoid eye contact. So I would use this if I kind of had any bad spots, or any spots to be honest with you. This is a brand I've never heard of before. It was Razzle Professional Hair Care, and this is a 10-in-1 leave-in condition treatment. I don't know what the 10 things are because I don't think it tells you on the back. Anti-frizz, moisturising, hydrating, prevents split ends, glosses and shines, strengthens hair, provides thermal protection during styling, nourishes and reconstructs damaged hair, provides antioxidants and anti-aging properties, gives extra body and volume, and detangles for easy styling. So it did tell you all the 10 items, so here we go. The next one here is by the same brand, and it is the Illuminating and Nourishing Treatment Mask with argan oil and keratin. So as you know, I do like a good treatment mask. I do actually have a light on, and it's a bright LED light, but I'm not sure if it's actually bright enough or if I need to close the blinds. You know how sometimes the sun can be too strong and you need to close blinds and have your light on as well? I don't know. I'll work on the lighting. I ordered this. It's called She Face and Body Tanning Gel for him and her. I don't know why they have to say it's for him and her, because, you know, of course anybody can use tanning gel. Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Shampoo. I love this brand. It's not the cheapest, so when it's there I picked it up. The Sukin Clearing Facial Wash for blemish control. So I'll probably use that when it kind of get my hormonal spots. And last but not least, I picked up two, sorry my nose is starting to run, I picked up two lipsticks from Wet n Wild, and they are in shade, they're both matte, Bear It All and Sandstorm, and I opened them. On the last video I opened ones that I had also ordered, but I've ordered these to put in my giveaway box. So anyway, I don't know if I said, but I get this 9-item box and there's a freebie. It's Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula, Body Lotion, Gradual Tan Moisturiser. I don't use a Gradual Tan for the body, but I am really enjoying the Mind Tan Gradual Tan. So anyway, that's 9 items that I get for £18 because I was an existing customer. So I'm going to pop all this away and get on with my day. I had actually got a washing ready to put out before I started working this morning. However, there was something in the pocket and went all over the wash. It would have to be a white wash. It's usually, if it's a tissue, it's usually a black wash, isn't it? It's sod's law. But yeah, so I normally check the pockets, but I didn't. I thought, oh, just get it all in the washing machine and out before I start, and then I pulled it out, and it's just, anyway. I am going to go, and I've just rinsing the washing machine out. I'm going to stick that washing back on, so I'm already kind of behind where I had hoped to be today. That's just the case, isn't it? But I'm dressed and I'm ready to go, which I'm not always first thing in the morning, but I've got meetings all day, so I thought just get up and get ready straight away rather than wasting time faffing about. I mean, I've already been up for 3 hours, so I don't know where the day's gone. I do get up at 6 o'clock with Steve. Otherwise, I'd still be in my bed because I cannot get up in the morning. So, I'll speak to you soon. I'm going to kind of do some meetings, take Lola for a wee walk. I'm meeting a colleague for a coffee today, which is going to be really nice. Normally it's all over Teams, but she lives quite locally. So we're going to go and meet for a coffee, which sounds really lovely, and it will be, because she's, you know how you meet somebody at work and you just kind of really gel with them. After the first time I met her, I felt like, I said to her, this is really weird, but I feel like I've known you for years. So when she had said, do you want to make our next, meeting a coffee? I was like, oh, that'd be lovely. And then I said to her, I said, look, I'm not, even locally, I'm kind of going to struggle because there is a bus, but it's like once an hour. And she said, I'll just come and pick you up from the house, so that's fantastic. But anyway, I'm going to go. I'll speak to you soon. Have a nice day. I'm going to crack on with some emails before I take Lola for a wee walk. My son's off today, so I'm not leaving her on her own. I really need to start kind of, even if I've got a meeting, maybe leaving her for a wee bit, but I need to work on that separation kind of anxiety. She's fine when we go to the supermarket, but we leave her. We left her last week with a thing that had food in it and everything, and she seemed to be distracted, which was okay, but I do need to get her in the habit of kind of being in the kitchen on her own. And she's currently ripping up bits of plastic and paper that I was using to package things. So anyway, speak to you soon. Hope you have a great day. Bye bye.